Good morning, everyone. Today we will be teaching how to convert from binary to decimal. There's a lot of conversions from binary to octal to hexadecimal, but our main focus will be binary to decimal. Okay, so binary to decimal. Okay, for example, let's start off with this number, for example, 1011. Okay, so what you do is, when you start from the right, you start first from the right. You separate the numbers 1, 0, 1, 1. 2 to the power of 0, and then 2 to the power of 1. This, you don't have a 1, so it's 0. And then over here, it's 2 to the power of 3, because it's the third one. 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power of 3. And then you just get those numbers and you add them. So 2 to the power of 3, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, and that's 8. Plus 2 to the power of 1, 2, and 1. This is 11. Okay, let's try out another example to make it more clear. For example, this number 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay? As we said, separate the numbers 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. All right, start from the right. Remember, start from the right. 2 to the power of 0. And then 2 to the power of 1. 2, there's no number over here, so imagine that as a 2. And then imagine that as a 3. Over here, 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 6. Okay, so over here, we add those numbers. And if we get a calculator, we see that 2 to the power of 6 equals 120. Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. I just wanted to be clear with the calculations. I don't want to make any mistakes. So 2 to the power of 6 is 64. All right. 64 plus 2 to the power of 5 32 plus 2 to the power of 4, which is 16, plus 2 plus 1. And we get that, we add all that, so that's 48 plus 64 plus 3. If we add those together, that will give us 132 plus 3, 135. Okay, for example, if we have a number like this, for example, 1, 0, 1, with a decimal, 1, 0, 1. What you do here is, remember how the last number is 2 to the power of 0? So after the decimal, it becomes 2 to the power of negative 1. Remember, we have to separate them. 1, 0, 1.101. This is 2 to the power of 0. This is nothing over here. 2 to the power of 2. Over here is 2 to the power of negative 1. 0, nothing. 2 to the power of negative 3. All right. So this number 2 to the power of 2 is 4 plus 1 plus 2 to the negative 1 is 1 over 2. And then 2 to the 3 is 1 over 8. So if we add those together, this will give us 5 plus a half, which is 0.5. And 1 over 8 is 0.1. Let's see what that is. All right, so 2 to the power of negative 3 will give us 0.125. So plus 0.5 plus 0.125, which will give us 5.625. And that's how you convert binary to decimal using binary with a decimal point and regular binary numbers. Thank you so much.